કોન્ફિડન્સ એક ડિસિઝન છે અને એ ડિસિઝન આજે તમે લેવાના છો. હેલો એવરીવન, ધીસ ઇઝ પ્રજ્ઞા પટેલ એન્ડ વેલકમ બેક ટુ યોર ફેવરેટ ચેનલ ઇઝી સ્પીક ઇંગ્લિશ. For next 7 days, we will train your confidence step by step. Let's start. Step number 1, mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and say, I am confident. હું આત્મવિશ્વાસથી ભરેલી છું. I can speak English. હું ઇંગ્લિશ બોલી શકું છું. Do this for 5 minutes. Number 2, slow speaking practice. Speak 5 minutes daily slowly. Example: Today is a good day. આજે એક સારો દિવસ છે. I am learning English. હું અંગ્રેજી શીખી રહી છું. Slow means powerful. Number 3, body language boost. Straight your posture. Maintain your eye contact. Calm smile. Because body language confidence show કરે છે. Now next one, 10 new words. Learn and use 10 new words in your daily sentence. Example: confident, brave, growth, success, practice, prepare. Because this technique increase your vocabulary. Now next one, record yourself. Record 1 minute your English video. Don't judge, just observe. આપણે ઇમ્પ્રૂવ કરવા માટે રેકોર્ડ કરીએ છીએ. Now last second, public practice. Speak at least 5 minutes with your family, friends or colleagues. Real confidence means real conversation. Now last, fear breaker day. Do something that scares you. Example: speak in group, ask questions in class, introduce yourself confidently. Now say loudly, I am not afraid of anymore. Confidence એક મસલ છે. Use it daily. It becomes stronger. 7 daysમાં કોઈ મિરેકલ ના થાય, but strong beginning definitely થાય. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.